Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this reversible handkerchief peplum skirt or overlay basically. So I'm basically showing you guys how to make this handkerchief peplum. I'm just going to call it handkerchief peplum. It's beautiful, it's amazing. Two different fabrics, reversible. Guys, you guys know me, sustainable fashion is my thing. And yes, let's just get into this amazing tutorial. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is cut out two different fabrics that are 24 inches by 24 inches. Guys, it's a square, 24 inches by 24 inches, two different fabrics. Now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it into two, then into four. So just like I've done right here, so you have a corner basically that is folded corner basically. So just like I've done right here, now with this you're going to have 12 inches on both sides. So can you guys see 12 inches on this side and 12 inches on the other side? So this is what you're going to have. So now guys, we're going to be making a full circle measurement on this top right here. So you're going to measure your waist circumference divided by 6.28. You know that's the measurement we use when you are creating a circle. If you've not watched my circle skirt pattern, I have a circle skirt pattern where I taught you guys how to make a full circle skirt, half circle skirt and a quarter circle skirt. All the measurements are there. You don't need to do any mathematics. It's there, right there. I gave you guys the exact measurements to use, and I'm going to link it up here and in the description box so that you guys can go check it out later on. But watch this video first. Now divide your waist by 6.28, and whatever you get, you're going to start measuring it from this corner right here to the other side. So just like I'm doing right here, from this corner, you're going to continue measuring it all around just like that. So continue measuring it till you get to the other side, and then connect that curve basically. So join the curve basically. And this is what you're going to have. So now we're going to cut it out, cut that circle out. And then this is what you're going to have. This is what the circle looks like. Now you're going to take one side of this piece. So one side, guys, one side, and they're going to open it up. So can you guys see what I've done? One side, cut it out and open it up just like this. So you're going to have a full piece just like this. Now guys, what we're going to do is we're going to place it right sides facing each other, and then we're going to sew it all around except one of these straight sides basically. So sew it all around the curve, the one of the sides, then the bottom, everything except one side. Now guys, this is what it looks like. I have sewn it and one side is actually open like I said. So I'm going to snip the curves. So every curve, guys, snip your curves, and then we're going to just turn it inside out using that opening that we left. Now that this is turned, we're going to just fold this part inside and sew it down, closing that open edge. So fold it in and sew it down. And now we're going to measure what we have all around this circle, and then we're going to use that measurement to create our band. So guys, now I have my band and it's 5 inches wide. Now the length of it is whatever I got around my circle. So let's imagine I have 26 inches around my circle. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that 26 inches and I'm going to add 30 inches to it. So you know you need excess to like tie it at your back or wherever you're tying your peplum to. I need that extra 30. You can even make it longer than that 30 inches. So I'm going to have 56 inches basically. So I can round it up to 60 inches. So that's what I'm going to use as my belt basically. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to now fold it at the two edges and iron it down. So the way I've done it right here, fold it at the two edges so that it will be easier for me to sew basically. Now guys, you're going to now fold it into two just like I'm doing right here. And then you're going to now locate that center, mark it right there. And then we're going to now take our fabric, basically our piece. You're now going to find the center as well, mark it. Now you're going to place the band on that center, like center to center. Place it on it just like that and pin it all around to the end of this circle. So once you've pinned it, you're going to sew it using 1/2 inch seam allowance. And guys, here I have sewn it. This is what it looks like. Now what we're going to do is we're now going to flip it over to the other side. That's why I ironed it just like this, so that it can be easy for me to actually work with. So you're going to flip it to the other side just like I'm doing right here. And then at the edge, you're going to fold it in by 1/2 inch so that you can hide the raw edge, and then fold it into two using that ironing mark that we did at the center as well. So now we're going to start sewing from that edge right there down round the entire circle, and then we're now going to sew it to the other edge, fold it in just like you did the other side, and then sew it down right there. So do you guys get? Sew it from one edge to the other. Once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. Guys, it's amazing. I've always wanted to have this peplum, handkerchief peplum basically, and it's turned out better than I even expected. This is what it looks like. I love how it is. It's perfect, perfect, perfect. If you try it out, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Lara Savage Creations. I'll be ready to showcase your work with all my growing followers, and even here on YouTube. Guys, if you're not subscribed as well, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, join in as a member. Membership gives you opportunities to get videos that are exclusive basically for members only. And yes, a lot is coming up on this channel. Again, please subscribe, like this video, comment in the comment section if you have any questions. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.